Hello and welcome to Selftax YouTube channel. My name is 𝐒𝐿𝐴. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process to complete your partnership SA800 tax return with partnership UK property SA801 form. As most of the people struggles to complete the form, particularly the partnership statement. One main reason is that most of the people doesn't read the box description carefully and try complete the return in hurry and ended up get stuck on partnership statement. So to avoid this, let me show you how to complete that return in one go. First of all, you need to sign in your Selftax account from here. If you're doing it first time, then first you need to sign up under standard, premium or professional registration type and register yourself with us. If you have any query on the registration type, feel free to contact us on our online chat portal during UK business hours, or you can send an email on info@selftax.co.uk. So once you are in, make sure you select SA800 partnership tax return and click next. Enter your partnership details here and click next. On next window, you can select your relevant forms. So for example, if you are involved in UK property partnership business, then you can select partnership UK property form and click next. Now here, please do not proceed to this main form, main SA800 form, which you can see right now. Please click partnership UK property on the left side. If you have chosen any other form, always start with that form instead of going into the main SA800. Okay, enter the amount, enter the name of partnership business, its UTR number, fill box 1.1 and 1.2 with tax period. You can ignore box 1.3a if your receipts are less than £150,000 during the tax year. Please ignore furnished holiday letting boxes from 1.3 to 1.20 if your partnership business is not a holiday letting, and move on. On the next page, please fill the relevant boxes and make sure and read the box description carefully, as it will help you completing partnership statement later on. So for example, if your agent deducts tax at source, then enter that amount in box 1.22 here and enter the gross amount in box 1.21. Now read what statement is written just in front of box 1.22. Include this figure in box 25 of the partnership statement form. Now remember this statement and box number that you need to fill later on when you do partnership statement on page 7. As you can see, I have already completed that form and I have a UK property of £1475 in box 1.39. So again, please read the box description carefully, as it will help you a lot completing rest of the form. So it says, copy this figure to box 19 of partnership statement 4. Please click save and go to main SA800 form. Okay, now you need to complete box 3.1 to 3.5 with name, description and accounting period, and click next and go to page 6. And as the other pages and boxes are irrelevant in your case if you are doing SA800 form. Okay, so go to page 6, page 3 again, page 4 with profit and loss boxes, page 5 again with balance sheet, and page 6. Okay, now on page 6, scroll down a little bit and see, did you remember that box 19 I told you earlier that profit came from the profit from your partnership automatically came here, and you cannot edit that amount. Okay, remember that you cannot edit that amount from here. If you want to, and if you have forgotten or want to enter the expense, you have to go to partnership UK property You cannot edit the profit from here. Okay, and go to the next page and select partnership partners. In our case there are 2 partners. Then on next page 7, the partnership statement. Here most of the people find it difficult to complete, although it is so simple. Like, just need to enter the partner's details here, and then enter the amount as per the agreed percentage. And also your relevant box changes its color, indicating you need to complete that box. Okay, let's just enter the information here. Okay, remember we have a profit of 1475 in box 1.39 of partnership UK property. Okay, we have completed quarter 1 detail. Now we are going to complete quarter 2 details here. Remember, the box changes its color, your relevant box changes its color, indicating you need to enter that amount. Okay, now we have completed both of the sections. Remember, okay, like I said, you need to put the amount that is rounded to the whole pound, otherwise you'll get an error. For example, if you don't round the figure up and enter the equal amounts here, now see what we'll get. If I'll change the figure, to 737, okay, it will not allow me to go to the next page. Instead, see what it will give you this red pop-up error, and it will not allow you to go further. So after seeing this error, most of you people get confused and waste most of the time switching pages, and in the end come to live chat saying your software is not allowing to go any further. So in order to avoid this issue, please always enter the amount in whole pound, round the figure up for one partner, preferably for partner 1. Okay, it will now allow you to go to the next page, enter, fill the relevant boxes, and submit your tax return. This is not such a tricky part, but most of you get stuck here. So I hope this video will help you a lot completing your partnership SA800 form.